Hello guys, so in this video we'll be walking you through the US dollar where we are looking to find a great trading opportunity that should last for a number of days. Okay, just got to trade entry, my trade is open and I have my profit target down here, stop loss just above here, and obviously you know I'm selling. But let me show you how I got this trade. So I take it out to the monthly, basically see where the market is going and what it's likely to do. On the monthly we can see that this market is in an uptrend. Okay, say up down to this, and we have this down move, then we have this up move that breaks this one, goes all the way up, pulls back, goes up. That's a two swing, pull back, and then this third swing to the top that gave us this top here, and a pull back, and it's looking like it's making a fourth swing. Okay, so this market is obviously bullish on the monthly, and having broken above here, I don't think it broke that. Let's see. I don't think so. Okay, it did not break. We've seen the market test that level, and then we expected to see some strong bearish move all the way down to maybe these zones for continued bullish movement, or come all the way lower to take us much lower into a really bearish perspective. So on the monthly we are bullish. Let's see what the weekly looks like. On the weekly we have the charts looking like this, and it is clear that this market has gone up, pull back, up, and then this down move giving us this break. So we have the break to the downside. Market came back up systematically into our zone up here, and let's see if you can draw the straight into our zone up here, and we've seen the market begin to reverse. That's why we believe this market should continue bearish, and our target will be all the way down here. Okay, that is about let's measure about 2,000 pips of market movement. So 2,000 pips of market movement is our target on this pair. So that's on the weekly. That's our perspective on the weekly. We have seen the market begin to U-turn, and we believe that it's going to hold because the market is reacting from our zone, obviously. Our zone being up here. So breakdown was expected. Let's go on to lower time frame. Let's look at it from the daily perspective. On the daily, what do we see? On the daily, okay, on the daily we can see that this market went up, down, up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, and finally came to this high. And then that high was created by either this level, it has been broken, or if you're looking at this high created from this low, it has also been broken. We've seen a pullback and market has begun to break again. So we expect to see market continue, prices continue to melt all the way down to our levels here, and possibly take us lower. Maybe to this one in reference to the weekly and possibly the monthly levels all the way down here. Okay, but we cannot exactly trade the daily chart, so we want to look for a way to enter on these trades using the smaller time frame. So we go to the 4 hour. What does it look like on the 4 hour? On the 4 hour we can see market is already beginning to melt. Okay, we see um market forming this high. So market came all the way up from here up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, higher high, higher low. It came all the way up here. Then finally this up move, but coming from the last bit of it coming from this zone, we've seen prices break below this zone. Okay, a break below, a pullback into a zone in here, and then a break below this level, and then very slight pullback, and we expect to see prices maybe melt a little bit for another pullback and then go down finally. Or market might come all the way up into the 4 hour zone, which is marked out here, come into that zone before going down. But suppose the market will just reverse here, maybe to this level, before giving us a pullback to go down. Okay, but whichever way it is, the market is bearish and we are looking for bearish opportunities on the Euro US dollar. Okay, so I actually marked out this zone this morning. This was my zone. This is my zone on the 4 hour. But taking another look at the market on the 1 hour, I I saw this. I saw a 1 hour zone here. So I said, it's okay, whatever is what, let's just take it. Let's pay attention to that zone. So this is our zone right here. It's our zone right here. And we've seen how the market is dancing around there. Okay, so this is our 4 hour zone up here. Okay, but here is also a 1 hour zone. It's possible the market should pull back into this 1 hour zone, break down, go below these levels, and then to pull back and go below and go all the way down to our expected lower levels. Alternatively, market might breach this zone, okay, breach this zone, go above it, pull back all the way into the 4 hour zone in here, and from there we look to see prices come all the way down and down and down. Okay, let me make a cleaner drawing. Okay, so if the 1 hour zone is breached, we look to see market come into the 4 hour zone. Maybe we watch out for a 50%. Then when we have this, we want to see a break, and then we want to see the market begin to go bearish. Okay, so currently I am in on this trade on the 1 hour, primary target being here, this liquidity here, and ultimately looking to go all the way down to liquidity way below, maybe in the direction of the in targets laid by the daily chart or the weekly chart, way below. Okay, but for now, so you might see prices go all the way down here or even lower. It's not impossible. Okay, but for now I will just stick to the 1 hour perspective. I am currently in on this trade, just triggered while we started this video, and either of two things would happen at this point. Either the market will go away and give us profit, or sorry, the market will come our way and take us to our profit target down, go our way and take us a profit target down here, or it goes against us and stops us. Our stop loss is here, goes for a deeper retracement in the zone, and we'll stop out of this trade. If the zone is not breached, we'll look to enter again. When the zone is breached, we'll look for markets to come into a 4 hour zone from which we'll look to go bearish. Okay, that's our perspective here. This is just my entry. Remember, our target is way down below because we are looking at it from the weekly perspective, expecting prices to go really down. Okay, so I want to see prices come all the way down here. Um, all the way down here, which is as we saw earlier on 2000 pips of trading opportunity, all ready for grabs. Okay, so this is the much we can take for the euro US dollar. Try to keep it under 5 minutes, but it's already 7 minutes. This is less than 10. Try and find the trading style, jump into the trade if you can, and just stay successful trading.